Imagine you are cruising down the interstate and your smooth ride suddenly starts feeling shaky and weak, like your powerful engine just gave up on you. This frustrating experience is exactly what happens when your vehicle triggers the P3448 trouble code, which points directly to a high circuit issue in the cylinder 6 exhaust valve control. This is a generic code that applies to most vehicles made from 1996 to the present day, including popular American brands like Chevy and Dodge. Essentially, your engine is trying to save you money on gas by turning off half of its cylinders when you are just cruising or idling, but something has gone wrong with the electrical signal for cylinder 6. The brain of your car, which is the engine control module, uses special solenoids to stop the exhaust valves from moving so the engine can switch into a fuel-saving mode like V4 instead of V8. When the computer sees voltage or resistance that is way too high, it realizes it can no longer control that valve and it shuts the whole system down to protect itself. You might notice your gas mileage dropping significantly, or the car might even start misfiring because the computer has cut off the fuel to that cylinder entirely. Common reasons for this headache include a failed variable valve timing solenoid, or even something as simple as being low on engine oil, since this system relies on oil pressure to work. You should also look for frayed wires or corroded connectors near the exhaust manifold where things get very hot and brittle. To fix this, you should first check your oil level and then look for any technical service bulletins that might provide a quick software update for your specific model. If the wiring looks good, you will likely need to replace the solenoid itself or clear out a blocked oil passage. You really need to see a mechanic immediately if the car is shaking or misfiring, because driving with a dead cylinder can cause permanent and very expensive damage to your engine internals. It is better to spend a little bit on a solenoid now than a fortune on a whole new engine later, so get it checked out and get back to enjoying a smooth ride on the open road.